Hello everyone friends. Today on the channel I'll show you how to log out or delete your iCloud account from your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, and here, as we can see, we can tap on our account, scroll down and then log out. The sign out button isn't working for me to unlock. For this, we need to go back to screen time and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn everything off here. This is how it should look for me now. Next, we tap on Disable Screen Time Passcode. Now enter the code here. Go back to the account, and now you can... Just a second. Now you can sign out. There, that's it from me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.